Welcome back. I'm Sean with Skill Builders, and I want to show you just some quick little things that LLMs can do. This is what I call a tidbit, and this is going to demonstrate some of the capabilities of the LLM Claude by Anthropic. So maybe you've heard of it. You may have seen it in some of the previous videos that I've shown. Very powerful tool, and I'm going to show you just how powerful it is. So you remember the game growing up, lines and dashes, where players put a dot all over the board. They put like 3 rows of dot, and then another player has to make squares out of those dots. So we want to create that same game, but we want to create it in an environment that others can play it. So if I want to play it with someone over the internet, be able to do so. So let's just show you how capable this technology is. So let's go ahead and enter that information and get this thing going. I already had it in my buffer, so I'm just going to paste it, and it basically says I want to create an online game called Dots and Dashes that starts with players creating a play area with a series of dots in a row and columns. The players have one move to connect lines with the dots. The goal is to create squares with your initials. The player with the most squares wins. Can you create such a game? If so, do it. So pretty simple prompt, and let's just go ahead and execute that and see what happens. So it's creating that game, and it looks like it's starting the coding process. So it looks like it's writing it in React, HTML, JavaScript platform. Pretty amazing. So I have what, 5 sentences, or 5 lines made up of a few sentences, and it's able to create, it's still going, a pretty comprehensive game based on this simple description. And this is something that you can do. It doesn't have to be this game. It could be something similar. Remember, we started off asking it to create a game, lines, dashes, and dots, and the winner is determined by the person who has the most squares. This is something that I played in my childhood, something that I enjoyed, and I wanted to just see the capabilities if it was something that the LLM can do. So it went through the coding process, and now I want to show you the results. So it's been able to create that. So we're going to start the game, and I'm going to change the name, and we're going to start. Notice that we can add the number of columns and rows. I won't change anything. I'll just start it off, and looky here. There's the game. Remember that game? So I just wanted to show you some of the capabilities that LLMs have so that you can use them for other uses that you may have. Hopefully this was helpful. Let's build skills.